Hi Sculptor, it's Mrs. Williams again with week 5. Here I am at home ready to record another video. I have my husband in the background playing League, so do not mind him. But here we go. Okay, so week 5. Welcome back. Our rainbow wall, I decided to give a week to my freshmen. However, I saw your light boxes and I loved the creativity and the different ideas that you guys brought to the table and the careful cutting. You guys did awesome. Way to go. This week, as usual, you're going to be sketching 5 new prompts of your choosing, and you are going to also be doing an artist spotlight of your choosing as well. I've loved the different artists that you have chosen. You guys have been really creative, picking from different categories. Way to go. This week we are going to finish up our dragon masks. That's our big thing. So it's going to be a little bit short of a video, and I'll also have a separate video on Google Classroom on how to assemble those nasty, nasty little masks. So if you're new to sculpture, welcome. Here are some slides that remind you how to sketch, and here are some slides that remind you on the artist spotlight. If you're old to sculpture, sometimes it's just fun to see a reminder of what we do every week. So here are our beautiful, yay, our little dragon masks. This week we are going to be assembling them. So we're going to be taking different pieces and we're going to start gluing them together based on the tab numbers. And so those numbers are really important because they will match to others around them. And so there's usually a pair of numbers, and that's how you know what piece decides to attach to another piece. So I've already started here, but you can see number 79. There was another 79 up here, so I just glued the tab to the edge, and now these two pieces are glued together. I used a glue stick for this, but you're more than welcome to use tacky glue, which is a little bit stronger in case you think you actually might wear this mask or have a little bit of fun with it. If it's just going to go on your dresser, or say it's going to go into the trash right after this, then of course you can use a glue stick. If you want to practice more hot glue, be my guest. Anyway, all right. Let's see. At the end of this week, how you submit this dragon mask is you're just going to take a picture of it. You can do a picture of you wearing your mask since these do actually fit on your head. Or you can do a picture of your mask in a cool setting, like in your backyard, or like wearing it in public if you're super brave and crazy like that. Or, of course, you can always just put it on your kitchen counter, take a beauty shot of it, and send it into Google Classroom. Never feel pressured to put yourself out there, especially since this is the first time doing a project of this nature. All right, guys, so at the end of the week, we do need 2 weeks of sketches. We need 10 sketches I'm looking for. And I also need a picture of your dragon mask. That is it. There's going to be a separate video on how to assemble those. But other than that, good luck, guys.